Welcome, amigos. Today we have this really cool Kuromi set. Look how cute she is. So I think this is the mystery. Yeah, so that one's the mystery right here. And over here we have the 4 different ones you can get. Look how beautiful she is. This is the Lolita rabbit one. She really does shine. It's a tiny one and there's 4, so let's open them, guys. Alright, let's see what's up. Oh, this is interesting. I've never had a figure come like that. That's pretty cool. Let's see who we get first. Oh, more mystery. Uno, dos. Oh, this is glass. This is legit. It's like, I think it's glass. Yeah, the whole thing is glass. Look how cute she is. And I don't know if you see right here, I think you could put a little light. That's sick if it shines. Look how cute. There's a rock. Okay, I don't know if you guys could really see that. She has a little purple bow. Classic little skull. Little blush. What else we got going on? Oh, she's just so pretty. On a unicorn. Wait, there she goes. Kisses! Mwah! I'm gonna stay. That's sick. Alright, next one. Okay, I really want all of these because the colors are cute, but this is sick. You get Baku? I think that's how you say it. This would be really cool to get the mystery. Okay, continue. I really appreciate how these are packaged. Okay, this out. I see yellow, amarillo. 1, 2. Oh, I'm just gonna be super excited for all of them. They're all gonna be beautiful and precious, and we know it. But look, I like that they're all slightly different. Like, you see how she has her bow up here? This one's bow. She has the purple hood, black hood. They're both unicorns. Oh, look, even the expression's different. She's like, oh my. And this one's like waving like, hello, look at me. Cute. 2 more. Mystery. That's what we're hoping for. Okay. Again, this package so cool. Also, besides Hello Kitty, I would say Kuromi is like my next favorite. So anything Kuromi, I get excited for. Oh, I like that. I don't know. I'm digging this one. Like, she's like waving. Look at her little expression. She got a double bow action. I also like how these are translucent. It's blue. I'm gonna have to get back to you guys with that. I wish I knew about the battery. I'm gonna have to find that battery because I really am excited to see these light up. So freaking cute. Alright, friends. Ultimo. Okay. So we can again get this. Or what do we have left? Oh, the purple. Oh no. I really want that one. I don't know what I want. Let's go. Whoa. It gets a little intense in here. Wow, I see purple. So it could either be that one. I don't know. Let's just see what we get. You know what? I'm not even disappointed. She is so freaking cute. And I like this purple, and I like how this is like a lighter purple, like a lilac. And her bow is pink. Little twirl. These are all so cute. Alright, So we're gonna vote this one number 1. Precious. Voting right. I think we're gonna vote this one number 2. 3. Unfortunately, this beautiful girl got 4. Let us know how you feel. And with that, amigos, we are done. Please like and subscribe. Follow us for some more. Adios. Besos. Mwah.